not everyone gets a chance to work for Mother Nature. We got a chance to serve the purpose. Governments from all over the world are trying to lessen the use of plastic bottles. Various companies are searching for the solution that can be sold instead of plastic bottles. But still then, we all have been waiting and find the solution to degrade it. We at Ganesha Ecosphere taking a charge of creating the best of these plastic bottles to save the environment. We collect the plastic bottles from rag pickers, balers, kabaris and other poor people who are doing this to find out a way of earning money. These people generally collect the plastic waste from all over the area, from dumpsters to public garbage boxes nearby to rivers, ponds, lakes and other places where we can generally find this waste. These plastic bottles are generally known as PET waste. This PET waste is processed and converted into various products so as to decrease the waste and increase the employment. Here is the process of converting this waste into useful product. We have large plants to process these plastic that we collect from all over the world. These bottles are crushed into small particles first. Most clear plastic bottles have colored LEDs and stickers in them. So to remove these unwanted substances, these crushed elements are moved to chemical bath which leaves piles of crystal clear plastic. After this, plastic is moved to white color in order to give it an equal texture. Plastic needs to spend at least 10 hours in rotating drums which slowly dry them out. Now we have got our plastic broken down and mixed with white color, but it is really hard to recast them into bits and pieces. To reconcile, another step is needed where the mixture is sent through this rotating tool where it is heated up to 270 degrees Celsius. Now this melted plastic is converted into threads and yarn which is sent to fabric industry for further processes. We take care of all the measures that should be needed for an environmental friendly organization. We think that no waste should go on the nearby places or rivers or any dumpster, and to avoid this situation, we being a responsible authority takes pledge that we don't do anything to damage our environment or the efforts of all those who are joining hands to save the nature from the enemy named as plastic.